In this video, I will show you how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the top right side. After you open your profile, scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Go to settings. Tap on this section where it says see more in account center. So as you can see now, here is my Facebook and my Instagram are connected. Here is it. So now if you want to disconnect them, all you have to do now, go back, scroll all the way to down and tap on this section where it says account. Under this account, as you can see now, it gives you an option now to remove the Instagram account from your Facebook account. As you can see, here is all my Instagram account that are connected to my Facebook account. So if you want to remove the Instagram account, tap on this remove button beside the Instagram account that you want to remove. So tap on this remove account again, tap on this continue, tap on this remove account. So now allow it to finish. So as you can see now, here it says you remove, here is the username of the account. I remove this account, tap on this OK. So now as you can see now, the account has been removed from my Instagram account. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.